Today I'm going to use a permanent marker, black, to get rid of scratches off the alloy wheels, to hide them. Because they're pretty obvious. Look at that one. Yeah, look, that's pretty obvious, isn't it? And there's another one on this side. Again, it sticks out like a sore thumb. I think they're the main ones. Yep, can't see anything obvious on this one. So we'll use the black marker pen on these two scratches and see if we can get rid of them, or at least not be visible. Or I can see them from here. Well, if we can see them from here, then they definitely need to go. Too obvious. Okay, so let's get rid of this one first. Clean it. Oh, a lot of muck on it. Give it a good clean. And then get the pen. Just colour it in. And we'll see what it looks like from a distance. The rest is fine, it's just muck. Yeah, just that bit. Just leave it to dry. Yeah, this is a bit of a colour difference, but from a distance you can no longer see it now. This looks like a bit of muck. See? Now if we go from here to here, can you see it? Yeah, this looks like a bit of muck. Let's do the same to the other side. Okay, so we'll do the same with this one. Clean it. This time I'm going to make sure get the marker just on where it's got, not overrun too much. Yeah. Pretty deep. Okay. Still a little bit of a mark, but it's nowhere near as visible as it was before I coloured it. Even from this distance, you can't really tell where it was. Watch now, I'm going to go back. There. That's how you get rid of scrapes on your alloys with a black marker pen. It should last. Close up you can tell, but from a few feet away you can't tell. Maybe next time I'll get a more glossy black. Yeah, More glossy black would be better. This one's fine. Anyway, that's how you get rid of marks on your alloys with a cheap permanent black marker pen. Just that. Probably best to get a glossy colour. It looks fairly normal. Doesn't stick out. And these are the alloy wheels, 2 weeks and 1 car wash later. Can you tell where the scuff mark is? Nope, because it's still doing its job 2 weeks on. This is where it is. So it hasn't come off. What about the other side? Okay, so this is slightly more visible. That definitely needs a retouch. So I'm not going to use the black marker pen that I got. I'm going to get a more glossy one. But overall, it's black marker pens do work in hiding scuff marks. You know, from this distance you can't even see it. And next time I'll get a glossy marker which will do an even better job. But like I say, it's still working 2 weeks on, 1 car wash later. That's just a cheap marker pen, cost about £1. No special marker.